Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is a quick and easy evening tea time snack recipe called Dadpe Pohe. This is a Maharashtrian delicacy and so delicious. I love this dish and make it quite often. I want to share my recipe with you all. Come on. I'm taking thin pohe or flattened rice as they easily absorb the moisture of the veggies we are using. Now here you can add more veggies to make it fancy, but I'm sticking to my original recipe which is tried and tested. This is a very quick and easy recipe and gets done in minutes. Lemon juice will give a slight tang which adds a layer of flavor to the dish. Fresh grated coconut will give a nice texture to the final dish. You can add as much as you like. Give it a good mix so the pohe will absorb all the moisture of the veggies. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. I'm also adding some coconut water to moisten the pohe, but you can also add plain water if coconut water is not available. We will leave this mixture for 5 to 6 minutes to moisten. Until then, we will make the tempering. For the tempering, we will need some oil, and once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and allow them to crackle. Now for some basic seasoning ingredients to add more flavor to the dish. You can use more green chilies if you like spicy. However, originally this is not a very spicy dish. I'm using roasted peanuts as they give a nice crunch to the dish. The flavors have to balance each other. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. If you like my recipes, then click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. The tempering is ready and we will pour this over the pohe mixture. Give it a good mix and we are ready to serve this yummy dish. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another yummy recipe. Until then, bye.